My first solo flight was in July of 1959. We're going to fly YAK-50. This is the largest airplane that's flown in World Aerobatic Championships. I'll show you what an airplane built in 1972 will do. Airplane vertical and pull the engine into idle and coast on upward until the airplane stops, and then I'll fall back and it'll swing through like a pendulum, just like a dart. The heavy end will eventually point down and I'll recover. People can expect to see a large, graceful aerobatic display that doesn't leave any pauses, and there's lots of action. It just keeps moving.